Hey guys, techmadeezy, and I wanted to do an unboxing and a demonstration of the new Samsung wireless charger trio. This device is awesome. It charges 3 devices on the same charger. This also works with iPhone, and I'm going to show you, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this now, and then I'm also going to do a demonstration with you. Let's get started. So let me crack this open. Okay, pull this out. All right, let's take a nice close-up look of this here. All right. So as you can see, the charging pad is a decent size. Now you're going to see it a little bit more in a moment because what I'm going to do is I am going to demonstrate phones charging on it. It has sections here and here for 2 phones and a smartwatch. Now, I don't know if it works with Apple Watches, but it does work with iPhones that have wireless charging. Here, the battery indicator, okay? You also have a USB Type-C plug here in the back. And by the way, you do get in the box the USB Type-C super fast charger by Samsung, okay? This is a value of $20. You get it in the box. You also get a USB Type-C charging cable, and it's Type-C to Type-C on the other side. Now, I already have one set up, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. I will tell you, I've used this before at a friend's house and tried using another charger, and I want to let you know a lot of chargers don't work with this. So you're going to need this 25 watt from Samsung. You can also try others. I'm pretty sure there are others out there, but let's do a demonstration. So let me go ahead and plug it in, and then you'll see it light up when I plug it in. I want you to just watch the lights in the corner. All right. Plugged in. There are our lights. We went red, green, and yellow. Perfect. Let's start off with an iPhone. I'm going to go ahead and put an iPhone on this corner here with Brooklyn's picture. You heard the sound. You see the light. It is now charging. Let's take a Note 20 Ultra and put it right here on the same spot. I don't want to block the lights. And there goes my second light. And then give it a moment. Samsung will come up with that little circle showing you it's charging. Okay. Hey, how about I take my Galaxy Watch 3 that's still on, and you know, I'm getting this low battery warning, but let me put this on there now and see if it'll charge all 3 at the same time. And now the lights do change color, okay, based on the charging status. So let's take this, drop it on. I now have a 3rd light and I'm charging. Check that out. I'm just going to move the display there. But look at that. Is that cool? Guys, this is great because it's a $90 accessory that comes with the cable, with the charger. I'll have the link in the descriptions. I hope this video is helpful. It's nice, short, and sweet. Give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, any comments, definitely post them down there. All right. Again, links will be in the description if you want this. Thumbs up. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great night. Hey guys, take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. As you can see, Brooklyn, she's waving her tail for you. Take a moment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell and you'll get notified of new videos we come out with. Also, follow us and contact us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. We'd love to have you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.